In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage social media content in Airtable. We'll build a simple, reliable planner you can use every day to organize ideas, track progress, and stay on schedule. First, log into Airtable. On your workspace, click Add a Base, choose Start from Scratch, and name it Social Media Content Planner. This gives you a clean slate designed specifically for your posts. Next, set up your main table. Rename the first table to Content Planner. Now add the fields that power the workflow. Create a platform field as a single select and add Instagram, Facebook, X, Twitter, LinkedIn, and TikTok. Add post title or idea as a single line text to capture concepts quickly. For content type, use a single select with image, video, reel, carousel, and text. Add a caption field as long text for your copy. Create a status field as a single select with idea, in progress, scheduled and posted so you always know where things stand. Add publish date as a date field. Finally, add media or asset as an attachment so you can upload images or videos directly. Tip: use consistent file names like date platform title to keep assets easy to find. To make planning easier, add a few optional fields. Hashtags as long text helps you store reusable sets. Link or CTA as a URL keeps your destination handy. Owner can be a collaborator or a single select so responsibility is clear. Notes: as long text is perfect for feedback and reminders. Before we go further, if you need Airtable, I've placed the website link and the app download link right at the top of the description so you can follow along immediately. Now create a useful view. Click the plus next to views, choose calendar, and set publish date as the date. This gives you a visual schedule so you can spot gaps and avoid bunching posts together. Start planning by adding a new row for each post. Fill in the platform, your idea, the caption, any media, and the publish date. Update the status as you move from idea to in progress and then to scheduled. As you publish, switch status to posted. Use filters to quickly see what's coming next, like everything scheduled this week, or narrow to a single platform when you're batch creating. If you're working with others, click share to invite teammates, and assign posts using the owner field so everyone knows who's on point. That's your streamlined system. Keep refining your fields as your strategy evolves, and you'll always know what to make, when to post, and what's already shipped. Thanks for watching.